Hi guys, greetings and welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing perfectly fine. First of all, guys, thank you guys for your amazing support. Thank you guys for always turning in for me. May the good Lord bless you, protect you, and may your secret prayer be answered in Jesus' name. Amen. So first of all, guys, today I will be showing you guys how to mix your face cream. In case you are suffering for dark spots, sunburn, and you don't know what to do, please just watch this video to the very end. It might be helpful to you if you actually want to clear your sunburn, dark spots, or make your face look more smooth. So guys, before then, if you haven't subscribed, please do me a favor, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. This way you can get notified anytime I do put in a new video. For my old and my returning subscribers, thank you guys, I so much appreciate you all. So guys, now let's begin. Let me show you guys how I mix this amazing face cream for my amazing supporter here on YouTube, for my subscriber, and I will be sending it tomorrow by God's grace. So okay guys, now watch. You can mix yours yourself at home. It's very easy. In case you need the product, just let me know and I will be dropping my number as well. Okay, now let's begin. I love you all. Please like. As I was saying, let's just begin this video, and I will be showing you guys how to mix your face cream to clear your dark spot, sunburn, or if you are having any pigmentation, acne on your face. Just do it the same way I will be showing you guys right now, and believe me, you would definitely get that amazing glowing skin that you want. Okay, so first of all, as you can see, here is my bowl ever desire. Okay, so first of all, what I will be using today, the first thing I will be adding, please guys, before we begin, if anything I add to this promising I'm doing, please in case you want to have it, just let me know. I will definitely be dropping my number here because I have everything available. Now the reason why I didn't love posting my number is because I don't have the product then, but now I will definitely drop my number. In case you need anything, just inbox me through WhatsApp. Okay, because I will definitely reply you through WhatsApp. Okay, so first of all, we need this white secret. So you guys know white secret is actually good when it comes to clearing this dark spot, and also it helps lighten up the face and also brighten up your face, depends on how you use it. Okay, but today we are missing for brightening and lightening, not for whitening, in the sense that the caramel skin can use this face cream that I'm about to mix right now. And also, if you are a chocolate, you can also use it. Okay, even if you are a fair or white skin, you can use it, because what I will be adding to this amazing mixing today is just so good when it comes to skin problem, also when it comes to skin maintenance. Okay, so right now guys, this product is actually good for clearing spots, and I won't advise anybody to use it like this. I won't advise anybody to use it because I know I used it before. I used it close to 1 month then, and then I don't love what it does for my face. I think that is why I said it's too harsh. You have to miss it if you want to use it, if you want to love you, if you want to enjoy using it, and if you want it to last for you for the maximum of months without you changing face cream up and down. Okay, but if you use it like this, it might work for you for a maximum of 1 month, 3 weeks, and then it will stop working. So just mix it like this and continue using your face cream in peace. Okay, you see, this is how it looks, and I will just go ahead, and guys, it's 30 ml. It's not that much, so I will just turn in everything in here. So I'm using 2 of it. Where is the set? also, and the next thing I will be adding, guys, the next thing I will be adding is this vitamin C radiance boosting face cream. So I also have this, so you can follow me on my Instagram. You see I post it today. I just got it today, and that is why I said all products is available now. You can just let me know if you need any product. Okay, so this particular one, guys, is actually good. It will help. It said give your skin the radiance boost it deserves, formulated with vitamin C, and also, guys, it's also contain macadamia oil and shea butter. This powerful face cream instantly moisturizes and awakens dull and dry skin. It has antioxidant properties, and it is a brightening face cream. The skin is left with a natural, healthy, and illuminating glow. So apply morning and evening. Okay, so that is why I'm adding this. It's said, as you can see, it's new, so it's actually good. I love reading out what it does on the skin before using. Okay, so this is it right now. So I will just go ahead and put in everything. So like I said before, you can also use this particular one on your face, directly on your face, if you don't feel like mixing it. But I'm just showing you guys how you can mix it to make it look more active and bright and lighten up your skin. Okay, so this is, so I'm using 2 of this also. So I'm using just 1 of these. Okay, so I'm sorry, guys, I'm using 1 of that. And the next one I will be adding is this Wrinkle Repair face cream. This is Wrinkles Repair face cream. So this particular one, guys, it's help against aged skin, and also give you that amazing smoothing skin that you want. And it's also good at wrinkles. So most especially those of you that is suffering for wrinkles. Wrinkles is not just for only old people. Yeah, no. So guys, after now, I'm done putting in all the creams, and the only thing we will be adding right now is serum. Okay, now let's go straight to the serum. So let's go straight to the serum, guys. So first of all, the first serum I will be adding to this amazing product is this Rapid Clear Serum. So lightening serum is actually good, guys. So I will be adding just a little. Like I said before, I don't want anything to be, I don't want the lightening product to be much. Okay, so I will be adding just teaspoon is okay. Okay, or let me make it 4. So now, guys, the first thing I will be adding right now is vitamin C serum. So this serum is actually good, guys. So we all know that vitamin C serum is good when it comes to tightening up the skin and make your skin look more firm and look young. It also helps in moisturizing and lightening up your skin naturally. Okay, so this is how it looks inside. And so this is face vitamin C Serum. So or let me just do it like this. So you can go and get this vitamin C serum, apply it directly on your face like this. It's actually good before your face cream. You can, after doing this mixing, you can just go ahead and get this, apply it before applying your face cream. Okay, it works really good that way. So the next thing I will be adding, guys, is face oil glow and shine. Face oil glow and shine. So this product I'm using right now, guys, is available, just that some are a little bit expensive. Okay, so I will just go ahead, and this particular one smells nice, so it will glow. This is glowing oil. And I will be adding this clear skin serum. This clear skin serum is actually good. It makes your skin look more smooth and clear any dead skin or your skin, and make your skin look more flawless. Okay, so this is how it looks also. So I will just go ahead and add. Okay, I'm just adding half of everything, not the full bottle. Okay, I'm just adding half. So the next one I will be adding is this hydro booster. So this hydro booster is actually hyaluronic serum. It's good for the skin. It's for all skin type. Okay, so this is how it looks. So I'm just adding half like I said before. But this hyaluronic serum, sorry guys, hydro booster, I only had just a little. And the next thing I will be adding is my vitamin E oil. So this particular one is what I normally use, and I love the smell, and it works really good on the skin. Just a little. Okay, so the last thing I will be adding is my bio oil. So bio oil is actually good when it comes to skin elasticity. It will help tighten up your skin. It will help get rid of any bad, how would I call it, like acne. And it will also keep your skin smooth. And so the next thing I will be adding is bio oil, skin care oil. So this particular one is good when it comes to smoothing your skin and getting rid of those scars and also spots. It's actually good when it comes to wrinkles as well. So I won't say it's good at stretch mark, because we don't have stretch mark on the face. Okay, so guys, let me just add it. So this is how it looks. So guys, as you can see, I'm done mixing everything together. This is how it looks right now. Not too light and not too thick. So guys, this is the container I will be using, and this container is 50 ml, and this is how it looks right now, guys. Please, I don't just mix this and keep at home. I normally mix when somebody is in need of it. Okay, so let's turn it inside. So guys, this is how it looks right now, you see, and it smells amazing, guys. Like seriously, it smells nice. So I'll just go ahead and pack everything. So this one is not that much, but I will be adding to this particular one for someone, okay? And this, so guys, thank you for watching, and this is my face cream. Like I said before, this face cream is good when it comes to skin lightening, brightening, enlightening, glowing. So guys, this is how it looks right now. Thank you for watching, and I so much appreciate you guys. Please don't forget to keep on supporting me. Like, feel free to share and state your opinion. Thank you guys. May God bless you all. See you guys in my next amazing video. I love you all. Please stay safe. Bye bye.